Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your region on Steam. First, open the Steam app on your computer and log into your account. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the window. Click on your username. A small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on View My Profile. Now, your Steam profile page will open. On this page, look to the right side and find the button that says Edit Profile. Click on that. This will open the profile editing screen. On the left side, you'll see a list of options. Find the one that says Profile and make sure it's selected. On the right side, you'll see a field that says Location. This is where you can change your region. Click on the Location drop-down menu. Now, you will see a list of countries. Scroll through the list and select the country or region you want to appear on your profile. Once you've selected the country, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Save button. Your profile location has now been updated. This is useful if you want your profile to reflect where you are currently living or traveling. But keep in mind that changing your profile location does not change the region for the Steam store or the currency that you see when buying games. The store region is tied to your IP address and your payment method. If you want to change the currency or access a different Steam store region, some people try using a VPN. This might change your IP address and allow you to view a different store. However, using a VPN to change your store region goes against Steam's rules. There is a high chance that doing this will get your account flagged or even banned, so if you decide to try that, do it at your own risk. That's all you need to know to change your region on Steam. Thanks for watching.